When I was in school, my sports teacher told me, Dan, you can do anything you want, you can play for any team you want. Little did I know he actually meant the Llandyssil Under-14s Academy. Well, 10 years later, with a bag full of goals, a 2013-14 most improved player, and of course a notorious reputation for being offside, I'm here in Shrewsbury to see what the next generation of Welsh schools footballers have got to offer.
I'm Shaun. I'm 17, I play for Risca United. And today I'm here with Welsh schools. We're playing against England independent schools, and my position is a goalkeeper. It's my first game for these, and well, I can't wait to get started really. I know a few boys because I played against them obviously with Risca and the likes of Cam Ryan and stuff, so I already know a few, so it's great to see them, and it's because they are quality players as well.
I started playing football at 5 years old, I think it was. I think my old man just got me into it and I just enjoyed every minute of it. I flew with the college boys a year from different colleges from Wales. I played against England independent schools a few weeks ago in St George's Park. We're getting a better game today, and yeah, it's a good warm-up for Italy.
Today obviously is to try and give the lads game time, test their mentality and see if they can adapt to playing against continental sides as well as the UK sides. You know, we're a small nation compared to the nations we're competing against, but you know, it's been tough to select 20. We had 25 excellent players against Australia last month, and I said to all of them I trust each and every one of them to start an international match, and you know, it is a good pathway, no doubt. Some of these lads playing for independent schools today, they'll have a chance probably with professional clubs later on in their careers. You know, some do go under the radar. Again, it's a good chance to showcase their talent.
These are boys, some of whom will have been at professional sides, perhaps haven't quite made it, then obviously pursued their education either in school or college. But it's surprising the number of boys who've played for this team who have gone on, had a second chance to make a career in the pro game. Ben Davies, as I said, who's at Spurs now, his first cap was here, Joe Roden, and it's often what we call it the sort of second chance national team really. The English independent schools are always very strong. It's great preparation for us to go to the tournament in Italy next week, where we'll be playing against the likes of Italy, Moldova, Greece. So that's a great experience for these boys. And then that is preparation for the Under-18 Schoolboys Centenary Shield tournament, where we'll be playing against England, Scotland, Northern Ireland and the Republic.
Full-time result here, Wales 2, England 2. A last-minute equaliser breaking the hearts of the Welsh, but an absolutely fantastic goal from one of the Welsh lads that even Harry Wilson would be proud of, an absolute peach. Well, next step now is Italy. Good luck to the lads, I'm sure they'll absolutely smash it.